Santana, aka Chi, and we are back for another motherfucking episode of Ratchet Recipes How. Ratchet Recipes How. Okay, so look, ever since I was young, I loved pasta. I loved me some motherfucking pasta. The older that I got and I had to start cooking for myself and shit like that, it was like, okay, pasta is relatively cheap to make. And there was this one dish, right? This one dish. I know you got your Olive Gardens out there, even Red Lobster be trying to do it up with they chicken Alfredo pasta and they shrimp linguine. Okay, but none of these restaurants could compete. And some of y'all might know what I'm talking about. None of these restaurants could compete with the chicken and broccoli Alfredo bowl from Applebee's. Of all fucking places, Applebee's. They would come out with this big ass bowl, and it would be fettuccine pasta, it would be strips of chicken, broccoli chunks all in it, okay? And not the broccoli cut. Some people like to do the cuts, I like a whole broccoli, okay? Give me a whole floret, okay? So it was chunks of broccoli florets, and then there would be like this fresh Parmesan shredded cheese on top, and it was, And then they went and fucked up the goddamn recipe, okay? They came out with they 2 for $20, they little special deals and shit, and then next thing you know, the chicken and broccoli bowl became something else, okay? It was less chicken, less broccoli, they changed up the pasta and made it like spirally and some corny shit, and it was just like, okay. So since I can't go to Applebee's anymore, and since it's cheaper to make at home, we are going to be making chicken and broccoli Alfredo bowl today. Today, huh? Super easy to make, super fucking cheap. Anybody could do it. So let's get into it. So the most important part of this dish, I mean, this dish wouldn't be this dish without it. The chicken, okay? The chicken, okay? And I don't know if y'all can see. I don't know if y'all can see that $2 off, okay? Zoom in on that motherfucking price right there. How much did it cost originally? Okay, and then we got an extra $2 off. Okay, I am a bitch with bargains, okay? I'm a bitch that loves a bargain. Fuck out of here, okay? Went to Aldi's and got this shit for $5.59 minus $2. So like $3 and some change. I think I will. Do you see how many chickens is in this bitch? Okay, bitch, I got a whole farmhouse up in this house. Time to do it, okay? Now the next motherfucking part of this dish. Okay, the next motherfucking part of this dish, like this is the Kelly to the Destiny Child. Okay, the chili to the TLC, the N to the sink. We talk about the motherfucking broccoli house. The motherfucking broccoli house, okay? And notice that this shit is what? Steamable in a bag. We ain't got time for no motherfucking French recipes house. Like, fuck you thought this was? BuzzFeed, the Tasty? No, bitch. You better take your ass to the motherfucking Dollar General, Dollar Tree, or ShopRite, whichever one costs $1. Okay, cause listen, we ain't spending over $1 for no goddamn broccoli. Okay, like, girl, I barely even be spending over $1 for my shrimp. Like, come on, I can get that at Dollar Tree. Like, so now, go get you a steamable bag, okay? Because listen, anytime it's a steamable bag, it's fresh that they just froze. Okay, so now we about to unfreeze and make it fresh again. And we're gonna freshly throw this shit up on the broccoli bowl plate. So the next motherfucking thing, girl, pepper strips. Listen, I'm kind of mad because I went to the Dollar Tree and they ain't had no more. Okay, they ain't had them motherfuckers in that shit for like a couple of motherfucking months. And it's really starting to upset me and my homegirls. Like, that shit pissed me the fuck off. They ain't got no more peppers and onions inside of the Dollar Tree. But luckily I've been going to ShopRite, so I got me some peppers, okay? I ain't get peppers and onions because bitch, I got fresh onions. This is the day where I got fresh onions. But if you don't have fresh onions, if you don't have fresh peppers, you can most certainly use frozen peppers and onions, like girl. So that next motherfucking ingredient, girl, like this dish wouldn't be, listen, this dish wouldn't be this dish without none of these ingredients. This dish wouldn't be this dish, literally, without the motherfucking heavy cream, okay? Store-bought, what is that? Bitch, we don't go to the store and buy Alfredo sauce. Like, that is an insult. We don't go to the store and buy a motherfucking Alfredo jar of sauce. Like, no, bitch, we make that shit ourselves. It's only 3 fucking ingredients, girl. No Parmesan cheese and butter. Come on now, this is homemade. Ratchet recipes, girl. We making shit from scratch, okay? Then, of course, this dish wouldn't be this dish without the motherfucking fettuccine, okay? And bitch, we fat, so we got 2 boxes. So now we gotta get into we gotta get into to get into. Okay, we gotta get into to get into. Bitch, you need some Parmesan cheese. I don't know how well this shit worked, but it was a fucking $1, so. Okay, we picked up the $1 Parmesan cheese, and just in case it ain't work, bitch, you got 2 to make it work harder, okay? And instead of using like 20 different fucking seasonings and shit, okay, because I like my shit Cajun, okay? I like my food Cajun, okay? Like New Orleans, Nola, what's up? So I use the seasoning for everything. This is literally the best fucking seasoning on God's green earth. Get you some Emeril's original essence, girl. Cause these other seasonings out there, they act like they Cajun and they really not. And they be way too fucking salty. Okay, all of these Cajun and all of these motherfucking black and get you some motherfucking original essence, okay? And then, you know, just to top it off a little bit more, if I want some extra flavor or whatever, you know, I got some onion powder I can throw in that bitch. But I also got some body complete, okay? Because this body is complete, okay? And then, you can't have a motherfucking pasta dish without the motherfucking butter, okay? Without the motherfucking butter, and yes, we butter our noodles over here. And some motherfucking fresh garlic, ho. Fresh garlic. Because they don't sell this shit frozen. Let's get into it. I'm a bitch that loves a bargain.